Introducing the JLTV Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, the most advanced military vehicle in the world. The state-of-the-art vehicle is designed to replace the aging fleet of Humvees currently in use by the U.S. military. The JLTV is a highly mobile, highly protected, and highly lethal vehicle that can operate in a variety of environments and conditions. It is built with a tough, lightweight armored body that can withstand blasts from roadside bombs and small arms fire. The JLTV also features advanced suspension and tires for improved mobility in rough terrain. The JLTV is equipped with advanced communication and navigation systems, as well as advanced sensors and cameras for enhanced situational awareness. It also has the capability to carry a wide range of weapon systems, including machine guns, grenade launchers, and anti-tank missiles. One of the key features of the JLTV is its ability to be configured for a variety of missions, including troop transport, reconnaissance, command and control, and medical evacuation. This versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of situations, from urban warfare to desert operations. The JLTV program is a joint venture between the U.S. Army and Marine Corps, and it is the result of years of research and development. The goal of the program was to create a vehicle that could meet the changing needs of modern warfare and provide the best possible protection for the troops who would be using it. The JLTV is expected to be in production and in use by the military in the near future. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle JLTV is the ultimate military machine of the future.